deciding to get married is a major life choice. And then, I suppose that every day moving forward will be for a new day to decide to stay together. I remember, I think you two nagsabi nito na love is a verb. Love is not an adjective, it is a verb. It means it's an action, it's something that we choose to do every day. So I hope you will always remember to choose to love each other every day. Now, may I request the brides and grooms to rise? The brides and grooms shall now affirm their willingness and qualifications to enter into this contract of marriage. They shall also confirm that they accept this contract to be binding and permanent under the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. The brides and grooms shall say, "We do," if they agree with the following statements. So I'll ask 3 questions, and at the end of each question, sabay-sabay lang kung nagsasagot na, "We do." First, do you swear to take this marriage as a special contract of permanent union for the establishment of conjugal and family life? Second, do you swear to oblige yourselves to live together, observe mutual love, respect, and fidelity, and render mutual help and support? And third, do you swear to abide by the laws of the Philippines on marriage and family life? Thank you very much. You may take your seat for the moment. And I'd like to request the witnesses to rise. Please stand up. The witnesses here shall bear testimony to this union and confirm the qualifications of the bride and groom that they each sponsor. They shall say, "We do," if they agree with the following statements. So, ganun po, I'll ask 3 questions, and at the end of each question, sabay-sabay ko may sasagot na, "We do." First, do you swear that the bride and groom are personally known to you?
We do.
Second, do you swear that to the best of your knowledge and belief, the bride and groom are entering into this contract of marriage voluntarily?
We do.
And third, do you swear that to the best of your knowledge and belief, the bride and groom possess all the qualifications to enter into this contract of marriage?
We do.
Thank you very much. You may now also take your seats. And to all the people present here today, does anybody object to the union of these brides and grooms? If so, speak now or forever hold your peace. Hearing none, in the absence of any objections, I now ask the brides and grooms to please stand up, face each other, and join hands. Now, today, at the Philippine Embassy in Riyadh, of your own free will, in my presence and in the presence of the witnesses gathered here, you will say, "I do," if you give consent to this marital union. I will first ask the grooms. So grooms, isang question lang po. Sabay-sabay lang po kayo sasagot na, "I do." Groom, do you take your bride as your lawfully wedded wife and bind yourself forever in her love and service?
I do.
Thank you. I will now ask the brides. Bride, do you take your groom as your lawfully wedded husband and bind yourself forever in his love and service?
I do.
May I ask the people present here today to help the newlyweds with prayers and accept them as new couples in our community? Now, please produce your rings. I will first address the groups. Okay, groups, please repeat these words after me. Wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my love
of my love
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
Go ahead and place your ring. address the brides. Brides, please repeat these words after me. Wear this ring
Wear this ring
as a symbol
as a symbol
of my love
of my love
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
Go ahead and place your ring. Now, bride and groom, together you'll say the following words to each other. So, sabay-sabay lang po kayo. Please repeat after me. From this day forward,
From this day forward,
we shall be one heart
we shall be one heart
and one soul.
and one soul.
For better or for worse,
For better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
Now, I'll give each couple a chance to recite their personal prepared vows. We will begin with Mr. Valentina and Ms. Valura, and the other two couples may take a seat for the moment.
Go. First of all, I am grateful to God. Because really, even if I'm not asking, He still gave me the right man at the right time. You are one of the best blessings I've ever received from Him. I know that I found the one who will give me peace of mind and make me laugh and smile often. The one who will not stop to annoy and spoil me all the time. Thank you for loving and accepting me despite my flaws. Actually, it's too many to mention. I am always grateful for your patience over my immaturities. We don't have a perfect relationship, but you always make sure that I am happy and satisfied with it. Thank you for being so quiet and understanding every time I pick a fight with you. And for letting me win over our arguments. Thank you for being you, and I thank God that I've met the version of you, Michael 2.0. I vow to be your lover, friend, companion, cheerleader, and your ally in conflict. Promise. I promise to give you my trust and respect, to be honest and faithful, and I also promise to comfort you in distress, hold and lift you up when you fall, and to encourage and support you to achieve your goals. Though I can't promise to be the perfect wife, I will assure you that I will try to be the best version of myself, to be a good wife that you deserve. I know that marriage is a lifelong journey, so let us put first God in the middle of our relationship, and I know that everything will follow. To my home, partner, best friend, and best enemy, know that I am, and I will always stand by your side. I love you.
Dear my Leslie, wala akong masidlan ng aking kasiyahan sa mga oras na ito, sapagkat dumating na yung araw na kung saan muli ako papasok sa isang bahagi ng buhay ko na may mga kasama ulit. Gusto ko magpasalamat at lubos sa nagagalak sa pagpapala at paggabay ng ating Panginoong Jesus, dahil siya mismo ang nagbigay katagumpayan sa okasyon na ito. Ang ating pag-iisang Diyos, napakadakila talaga niya dahil muli ipinagtagpo niya sa akin ang isang espesyal na tao ang tulong. Dasal ko at parati kong pinagdarasal, nawa, gabayan niya tayo sa ating pagsasama, sa hirap man o sa ginhawa, sa lahat ng aspeto at sa sitwasyon ng buhay natin bilang bagong mag-asawa. Lingid sa kaalaman mo kung ano ang nakaraan ko, subalit magkaganon man, ay nakuha mong tanggapin at mahalin. Maraming salamat. Mahirap mangako ng napapako, subalit sa tulong at gabay ng ating Panginoong Jesus, gagawin ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya upang panindigan ko ang obligasyon ko sa iyong. Ngayon pa lang, ako'y humingi sa iyo ng pangalamanhin at pag-unawa mo ako man nakakagawa ng pagkukulang minsan sapagkat ako'y tao lang. Subalit, magkaganon man, kailangan ko ng suporta mo at pag-aalalay upang magampanan ang tuntunin ko sa iyo. Salamat sa pagkatanggap kina Mickey at Mikael kasi tiniro mo sila na hindi basaya. Inako mo na din sila bilang kapwa. Dahil dyan, mas lalo pang Leslie, ikaw na ang pangalawang tumulong sa buhay ko. Sana sa bagong yugto ng buhay natin, malaki-walay. Kailangan kita kasi mahal kita. Hindi ko nahahabaan pa kasi alam mo naman na lahat kung ano man yun. Basta ang importante, ano man ang maging problema natin sa hinaharap, ayusin natin sa loob ng makuha. At huwag nating hayaan na lumagpas pa tayo doon. Muli, maraming salamat sa iyo at sa Diyos at patuloy natin na laging ilagay sa gitna ng relasyon natin ang ating Panginoon Jesus. I love you. God bless you.
Game.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're mine.
Isa pa.
Reality,
Kulang.
you're mine, sunshine you're mine, best times you're mine, anomaly, and I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity.